Dear students, here is the another question before you. Let's read the question first. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the rod. Means here AC is a rod. We have taken AC as a rod, and two poles of same size. Forget not, they are of the same size. So AB and CD are the poles having the same size. So say size is not given here. That's why I took the height as small letter h. Okay. So AB is AC is the rod, and which is 80-meter width. That means the total length of the road is 80 meter. Clear? That is total 80 meter. Now, from a point between them on the road, anywhere you can take here, here, or anywhere. I just simply took it here. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Means from this pole, if you are looking to the top of one pole, you can see that in 60-degree angle. Whereas from the same point, if you are looking to the top of another pole, you can see it in 30-degree angle. So this is our diagram. Now, from the heights, find the heights of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. That means you have to find the height, this one, and you have to find AP, and you have to find a PC. That means you have to find H. Okay, first of all you have to find H, then along with that you have to find AP, then you have to find PC also. Altogether, you know it is 80 meter, but you don't know how much this is and how much this is. So that one also you have to find. So this is the thing which you have to bring into your mind. This much things are the things which we have to find out. So mentioning the diagram, we will write A, B and C, D are the two poles, each of them of h meters. Let P be the point on the road such that AP we are taking it as x meter. If from here to here we are taking as x, then definitely from here to here kitna hoga? Total it is 80 meter. So 80 minus x will be this much, right? Altogether it is 80. That's why up to here we took it as x, and here to here that will become 80 minus x. Now you got this one. Now as earlier, here one thing is very important. Whenever we used in the previous questions, I told you, whenever we are choosing a right angle triangle, an angle should be given, right? Here the angle is given. Then what should be given? Any length of or any dimension of any one side. It may be this side, it may be this side, or it may be this side. Any of the one should be given. But here base also is not given, opposite side also is not given, but this hypotenuse also is not given. That means nothing is given perfectly. So let us come to this point. In both of this one, you can see the h is common here, right? Here also you can see the height is there. Here also you can see the height is there. So let us, in these two triangles, now see here, in both of this diagram, h is common, right? In this triangle also, we have mentioned here h. In this triangle also, we have mentioned here h. So as in both of the triangles, h is common. Let us equate to h. Let us equate to h. So from here, let's take the first triangle. What is the first triangle? ABP. So in triangle ABP, ABP, here opposite side and adjacent side, because these are the two things which are given and which is to be found. So nothing is given regarding hypotenuse, so we are leaving that one. We are taking only this thing. Again, tan 60 degree is equal to, tan is opposite side by adjacent side. That means perpendicular by base. So it is AB by AP. You have to write this. The next line, what is tan 60? It is root 3. That's equal to AB is h by AP is x. That implies h is equal to x root 3. That much meter. Keep it there. You got equation for h. Let us take the next triangle. In triangle, next triangle, here you took ABP. So here let us take CDP. There also tan, but there it will become 30 degree. Opposite side is DC. Adjacent side is PC. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to, what is DC? It is h divided by PC is 80 minus x. While you are cross multiplying, you will get a h root 3 is equal to 80 minus x. We want in h, right? That's why we will write h is equal to 80 minus x, the whole divided by root 3. So here also you got an equation h. Here also you got another thing in h. So there are two things which you got in h itself. Now let us compare that one. So take this as equation number 1, take this as equation number 2. So 1 comma 2 implies from 1 and 2, what we can write from 1 and 2, or we can write in a sentence, you write from equation 1 and 2, or you can write equating equations 1 and 2. नहीं है तो ऐसा लिख सकता 1 comma 2 implies. Implies का मतलब इसका मतलब 1 comma 2 implies here x root 3 is equal to 80 minus x divided by root 3, right? दोनों का LHS बराबर है तो पक्का उसका RHS भी बराबर होगा. 9th क्लास में we have studied about Euclid's theorem. In that theorem I have told this one, right? So x root 3 is equal to 80 minus x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करिए, x root 3 into root 3 ऊपर आएगा is equal to 80 minus x. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, so we can say 3x is equal to 80 minus x. x इस तरह ले आइए 3x. If you are bringing this x to this side, it will become plus x is equal to 80. 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 divided by 4, that is 20 meter. So here you got this is as 20 meter, है ना? ये 20 meter करके मिल गया. Now if you got x from this one, you can bring to height. What is the height? Therefore h is equal to, it was x root 3, that's equal to 20 root 3 meter. So you got the height of the poles. The height of the poles are 20 root 3. इधर तो root 3 का जगह, there is no need to substitute the value because in this question it is not given. root 3 का value, take root 3 is equal to 1.73, like that it is not given. ऐसा दिया है तो जरूर इधर root 3 का जगह आपको value substitute करना है. अगर आपको substitute करना चाहता है तो कर लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, no problem. It is also correct answer. You will get the same thing. Okay, no problem. इधर तो root 3 का बारे में कुछ भी mention नहीं किया तो रहने दीजिए. That's enough. That will be good. So h you got, height of the pole you got. Now h is okay. Now you got the h. What about AP? AP was x. You got AP is equal to how much it is? It was x. X जो है 20 मिल गया. So 20 meter. This implies PC कितना होगा? इधर करने का जरूरत नहीं, पूरा का पूरा 80 था. टोटल वाज 80. इधर से इधर तक 20 है तो बाकी कितना बचेगा? 60 meter. So you got the heights of the poles. They are 20 root 3 meter, and the distance from that point to one side is 20 meter, whereas the distance from that point to the other pole is 60 meter. Clear? This is all. Now let us go to the next part. Next question. One more question. Here you can see the angles of depression of top and bottom of a 12 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. That means the angles of depression of a top and bottom of a 12 meter tall building. एक 12 meter tall building है. So simply just imagine this is the ground. There is a 12 meter tall building. 12 meter tall building. Okay, I'm telling how I drawn this one. 12 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building. So the angles of depression from the top of a multi-story means there is a multi-storied building. ये building इतना है तो उसको दुगना, 2 तल्ला का मकान. Okay, a multi-storied building. From here, if you are seeing the top, you can see that in 30 degree. That means this is the eye line. So ये होगा 30 degree. From here, if you are seeing the bottom, इधर से खड़े होकर के ये टावर का bottom आप देख रहे हैं तो वो 60 डिग्री होगा. पक्का ये 60 है तो okay, let me come to that point. I will come to that point. Now see here. Anyhow, what you have to find the height of the multi-storied building. अच्छा, ये multi-storied building का height. Just take this as A, E, B. It is a multi-storied, so आधा इसका same height इतना होगा एक तल्ला का, बाकी उतना ही height ऊपर की ओर होगा. Take this as D. Okay, this is how I drawn this picture. Now I think you understood that one, right? So we don't know the height of this one. Let us take this as H. 2 तल्ला मकान का पूरा height जो है H करके ले लीजिएगा. लेकिन इधर से इधर तक हमको पता है 12 है, इधर से इधर तक 12 है, क्योंकि ये दोनों बराबर ही होगा. एक तल्ला जो है दोनों का सेम होगा, 12 मीटर है. सो इफ इट इज 12 मीटर अप टू हियर, व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? पूरा का पूरा H है तो ये बाकी C से D तक कितना होगा? H minus 12 होगा. That is how I got here H minus 12. Now what you have to find? You have to find the height of this one. Total H निकालना है. सो ये टोटल h निकालना है तो कौन सा ट्राइंगल का अंदर पड़ा है, ये वाले ट्राइंगल का अंदर पड़ा है ना, वो हाइट जो है इसका अंदर पड़ा है. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड फ्रॉम दिस ट्राइंगल. व्हाट इज द ट्राइंगल ABD. From this ABD you have to find the height from this ABD, from triangle ABD, because that is the right angled triangle. Now if you want to find this side, this should be given. ये तो सीधा नहीं दिया है, लेकिन इतना तो 60 होने का वजह से ये भी 60 होगा, वैसे ये 30 होने का वजह से ये भी 30 होगा. That is how you got here 60, you got here 30. Now this is 60. So in this triangle, if you are taking this triangle, if you want to find this side, if you want to find this side, then definitely you have to know at least this side or this side. You have to know this side or you have to know this side. Clear? But unfortunately this side is not given and this side is not given, right? ये भी नहीं दिया है, ये भी नहीं दिया है. So we can't do anything by simplification. We will never get this one. So let us go to another right angle triangle. Let us check it out. Is there any more right angle? Yeah, here it is. You can see here also there is a right angle triangle, right? DEC. Inside this one, what is the length of this one? That will be the same length of this one, because you know this is parallel to this one, so both of them will be same. I'm taking this as x and here also it will be x. So from this triangle, if I'm equating both of this to x, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में x जो है बराबर है, तो दोनों ट्रायंगल के अंदर से ये अगर मैंने दोनों इधर ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन में मैंने जो किया है दोनों h से इक्वेट किया है, इधर दोनों x से इक्वेट इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमको h निकालना है. Whatever you are equating, what you are equating, that will be eliminated. वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. तो सच में इधर को हमको ये नहीं ढूंढने का है कि ये टावर से ये दो तला मकान कितना दूर पे खड़ा है करके क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया, ऐसा नहीं, क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया कि वो निकालना है करके, राइट? यू नीड नॉट वांट टू फाइंड हाउ मच डिस्टेंस इज देयर फ्रॉम द बिल्डिंग टू द बिल्डिंग वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन मल्टी स्टोरेड बिल्डिंग. देयर इज नो नीड टू फाइंड x. So if there is no need to find x, then what we can do, we can equate it to x. If you are equating both of the equation to x, x will get eliminated. So here forget not, that thing should be there in your mind whenever you are equating something. यानी कि कई लोग का मन में ये भी होगा दोनों में h भी है ना, तो h से भी दोनों को इक्वेट कर सकता है. सही तो है, वैसा किया तो दोनों h में अगर आपने इक्वेट किया तो पहले आपको x मिलेगा, फिर उसका अंदर से आपको दोबारा h निकालना होगा. But if you are equating to x, automatically x will eliminate and h only will be there. I will show you how it is. So let us take both of the triangles. Let us take the triangle number anything. Let us take the first triangle. Here it is, this one, triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, this is 60 degree, right? So this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So perpendicular or base, in दोनों का रिश्ता tan ही है. So again we are taking tan 60 degree is equal to BD by AB. What is tan 60? It is root 3. Root 3 is equal to what is BD? BD is h divided by AB is x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, x root 3 is equal to h. हमको x चाहिए तो x is equal to h by root 3. Call it equation number 1. Let us go to the second part. In triangle ECD, tan 30 degree is equal to, here the opposite side is CD divided by EC. What is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3 is equal to what is CD? H minus 12 divided by EC. Again it is x itself. Cross multiplying you will get x is equal to root 3 into h minus 12. Clear? So this is the equation number 2. And see here, in these two equations you can see one thing is very common. Both of the equations x is given on the LHS. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what you can write? H by root 3 is equal to root 3 into h minus 12. Cross multiply, when you cross multiply you will get h is equal to root 3 into h minus 12. H is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3 h minus 12. Yeah, 3 h minus 12. Now from this one h is equal to, take it inside, you will get 3h minus 12 threes are 36. Clear? Now from this one, very simply I will tell you, just revise it, because 3h is bigger number. So I'm writing here. You can write it beneath this one. Okay, I'm just writing this just opposite way. 3h minus 36 is equal to h. Clear? Just opposite. Now bring this h to this side, take this 36 to that side. तो 3h इधर का प्लस x इधर आते हुए माइनस x हो जाएगा, 36 उधर जाते हुए प्लस 36 हो जाएगा, राइट? 3h minus 1h, 2h is equal to 36. Therefore h is equal to 36 by 2. It is 18 meter. So what is h? H was the height of the multi-storied building. So therefore height of the multi-storied building is equal to 18 meters. Clear? So this is how you have to see. Here you did not find x. x का वैल्यू नहीं निकला, सीधा h जो है आपको मिल गया। अगर इसका अंदर h भी निकालना है तो ये पहले निकालिए, उसका अंदर जो भी वैल्यू मिलेगी इसका अंदर डालिए, नहीं तो इक्वेशन नंबर 2 के अंदर डालिए। ये थोड़ा इजी इक्वेशन होगा, ये थोड़ा बड़ा वाला है। सो पुट इनसाइड दिस इक्वेशन, यू विल गेट x also. But here in this question there is nothing they are asking about x, that's why I leave that x away. So this is the way. So I told you how to prepare this figure. This figure is so important, because if you are preparing a wrong figure, definitely you will not get the correct answer. First one, you must know how to prepare the figure. Every time, first of all, draw the ground. Then only from the ground start your constructions. And after that one, what you have to means you have to select the correct diagram. Means from the diagram itself you will get an idea. Diagram के अंदर से आपको एक आइडिया मिलेगा कि कौन सा ट्राइंगल पहले लेना है, कौन सा ट्राइंगल दूसरा लेना है, और ट्राइंगल्स के अंदर क्या करते हुए क्या निकल आएगा करके. सो फ्रॉम द फिगर इटसेल्फ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, व्हाट इज गिवन, एवरीथिंग मार्क इनसाइड द फिगर एंड जस्ट एक्सप्लेन द फिगर इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज योर फिगर? इधर एच का मतलब क्या होता है, बिल्डिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, ए का मतलब क्या होता है, ए बी क्या होता है, बी सी क्या है, ये सभी इधर एक्सप्लेन करना जरूरी होता है. यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन योर फिगर हियर. डोंट स्टडी बाय हार्ट दिस फिगर, यू कैन मेक इट इन योर ओन वे. एक आदमी तो ऐसा बनाए, दूसरा आदमी को तो ऐसा बना सकता है. उन्होंने पहले इधर एक बिल्डिंग को इधर बनाई है 12, देन 2 तला का मकान इधर होगा, उसका मन में ऐसा आया होगा, तो हिज डायग्राम विल बी लाइक दिस, राइट? From here he is observing this as 30, he is observing this as 60, so this will become 60, this will become 30. Then simply give the names A, B, C, D, E, and then just keep on going like that. So there is no need to study by heart this one. As far as your question given, you have to figure it out, you have to make a figure from that one, and from this figure you have to understand what you have to find. आपको A, B, ये है 2 तला का मकान, ये निकालना है, तो दे दीजिए इसका H, तो ये 12 है तो ये भी 12 होगा, तो ये कितना होगा, h माइनस 12 होगा. बाकी ये निकालना है, दीजिए दोनों को x, इधर भी x होगा, इधर भी x होगा. Then start doing, that's all. So there is no need to study by heart the figure, just to understand the question and make a figure. If your figure is complete, if your figure is perfect, definitely you will come very near to the answer. Hope you understood. That's all from this chapter.